Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil, and today I will show you one more video related to the KNIME. And if you recently installed the KNIME and if you want to install some extension in that, then what is the process to install extensions and what are the different nodes that you can install, that all the process I will show you in this video. Okay, so for that you have to open a KNIME. So if you check my previous video, I recently upgraded my KNIME to 5.5 to 5.9. Okay, this is the latest version that is currently available. Okay, and let's say if you want to work with some SharePoint list data or consider some column expression, okay, all these things. So there are different multiple nodes available. Okay, but how you because if you are not available here, this is a node section where you can check your uh, nodes. Let's say if I want to work with SharePoint list, then if I type list, then it should appear over here. It has a SharePoint list, SharePoint online connector, but it don't have a list. So, and again, I want to use column expression legacy node. Let's type that column expression legacy node. So it's not available. It has a expression, but it don't have column expression legacy. This is a particular node which is very helpful for if you are doing some calculations part. Currently it's not available in this node section, but we can install it. So for that, first you have to do is you have to sign in. Okay, sign into your use your Google account, right, and just sign in. Okay, so what will happen is initially it will sign in page will appear. Okay, then you have to just add your email ID and you have to just approve their some conditions, and then you are good to go. You are logged into the hub, and then the next step is you have to click on a menu. Okay, and then you have to click on install extension, second option. Now if I want to search list, okay, so list is nothing but the SharePoint list, so you have to click on this. Okay, SharePoint list, and if you see over here there is a called next step a button. So you have to click on next, you have to agree with this, and you have to finish it. Then it will take some time and it will ask to restart your KNIME software. Then just click on restart. Okay, and you can minimize this, not an issue. Okay, now let's see if it will SharePoint list will work or not, or it's available or not. SharePoint list. Okay, so this is the SharePoint list currently available we have. Okay, so this is the SharePoint list that we are talking about. And let's say if I currently we don't have column extension. So again, if you want to install it, again go to install extension and type column expression. Yeah, this is the node. Just click on next, finish. Okay, again restart. Launch. Now we will see if we have expression, we have that node or not. Column expression, I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the legacy one. Yes, and if I show you this dialog, okay, this is where you will add your column expression and all this thing. I have created video for SharePoint list and expression also. If you want to check out that, you can check. I will add the link in the description, but this is how you can install the extensions in your KNIME software, and it's very easy. Again, same for the let's say if you want to search for the database, right? Okay, I have not logged in. Okay, let's try. Okay, now if I want to install let's say Databricks, right? Database side, if you want to install something, let's say if you want to work with a Databricks, then just you have to use it, install this, and just next, same process, next, and you have to agree the conditions, and then just it will take 1 or 2 seconds to restart, and then yeah, you are good to go. Once it's relaunched, then you can use it, that particular node. So this is how you can use according to your requirement. If you want to use a multiple extension, if not available, then simple steps: sign in, go to your menu, click on install extension and type your extension and then just install it. Simple. So this is how you can install any extensions according to your project in your system. Thank you.